is an azalea I got. So my first azalea, really fine roots. It's taken off. It's growing super well. It had a nice trunk. A lot of them just had like 4, little trunks, let's call them. It had been topped at some point in there. So these other side branches came out, but it's really just taken off. I haven't really done anything. I took a few lower branches off. But yeah, and I want to say it's a Azalea rhododendron, but that seems not quite right. Some sort of cross. Here's a juniper, just insane twisting in there. So I do not know what I'm gonna do with this. That is just insane. You can see there's just a gnarl of twisted up branches that go. Another willow. This one I like a lot. Just the branches. This part died, but yeah, it's just another willow. They all did really well. We'll see how they overwinter. Here's the trembling aspen. This is in an actual bonsai container. I think I spent $10. It produced a bunch of the, other branches off the roots, which I think just means it's healthy and strong, but also keep vigor to the main one. And this did really well. I collected this and put it in this. I mean, it is small. I didn't think it would do very well. I think because it dried out, because of where it was. Put a little monkey pole there, but I think it dried out a lot, and so it had a lot of oxygen and then water, and it just helped pump water up to the tree. So it's been sitting there, and I'm just really liking the looks of that one. Again, this one, like most of my trees, I'll bring it right down to make it look older and bigger. Here's the shimpaku juniper I got from the nursery. It's doing great. It's just doing really good. So, as these ones are, they sort of pad and then shoot out. So it's got lots of pads, a few little places where it's really shooting, but it's just surviving well, which is kind of crucial as I transplanted it and wired it. And this is the one that just wired insane. I mean, this branch just comes back around and in, just to kind of get the shape. But yeah. Mugo project. This is just, again, it's just a Mugo got from the nursery. Actually got this from one of the box stores, and I just put some bends into this. Got a little bit of wire cut in. I just took it off not that long ago. So long term, but again, this is that problem of that. This is this sort of swelling when you have 8 branches that come out of one section. Get that sort of situation where it's thin in there and thick, and same thing there. You got that whirl happening. So